Many PVs and Amazons are let down by the fact that when the steering coupling or the steering box has been out of the car, the assembler can't be bothered to reassemble it properly, and therefore it loses its centre horn push, and you find all sorts of strange switches located around the dashboard to compensate. Now it's not too difficult, it is messy, and here's why. As I'm sure you probably already know, the horn wire comes from the steering wheel all the way down the centre of the column and comes out the end here in this hole out of the forward plate. However, in so doing, you've got to get it down this tube here, which is about there. So somehow you've got to tail a guideline through, then pick up horn wire, and then pull the horn wire back through, getting over that lip there. Okay, let's just go and have a look at how I've left the motor car now. Okay, so there's my horn wire coming through the coupling and down the line that the steering column's going to take. And what you see is that I've simply cut as close as I can to the terminal on the end here, so I've just got a plain bit of wire. So now let's go back to the steering box and see how we prepare for that. Here I have a length of floppy nylon cord, and we're going to chase that down the hole. And the easiest way, you could use gravity, I'm sure, but the easiest way is to use an airline. Okay, so having secured the other end so it doesn't go flying all the way through, we just put the end of the nylon in the heel, there we go, and let the airline run it down until it comes out the other end.
How cool is that?
There it is. But that's the easy bit. So, just make sure that is sort of halfway secured, because it's just really irritating if you get 3/4 of the way through the job and then lose this end of the cord. So just give that a wrap around there. Okay, so we're now going to take this to the car, put a couple of half hitches around the wire with this, and a little bit of heat shrink. And hopefully that'll allow us to gently pull the wire through that narrow tube while sliding the steering box in. It's going to be slightly awkward to show you this, but I think you'll get the idea. Okay, so first of all, we've just got to slide the steering box with the lower column up vaguely into position, and then we can start playing around with the tailing cord. Right, that'll probably do to start with. Here I have 2 bits of heat shrink in readiness, and I'm just going to slide the short bit on there and there, and just take that up out the way a bit. Then we get hold of the cord and we put a half hitch into it, or actually, really I suppose one should put a rolling hitch in. Okay, let's put a rolling hitch in, shall we? Now, whilst I'm playing with this, there is a book called The Ashley Book of Knots, which was kind of made famous by the film
The Shipping News.
The Shipping News.
Or the book The Shipping News.
Or the book The Shipping News, yes, the book The Shipping News. And apart from being a delightful book just to look at, the heading of each chapter has a nice little discourse about, well, all sorts of strange topics that you wouldn't expect in a knot book. It's just well worth reading just even if you're not interested in knots particularly, because of those chapter headings. There we go. Okay, there's our rolling hitch. Now we can just slide down the big length of heat shrink and the little one. Okay, now just take that down, then get the free end of the knot back. There it is. Holding that up there, bring this back up to the knot there, and let's heat shrink it. Go. Now the bottom one, really we can just put on a half hitch. There we go, like that, and slide the heat shrink up and over, there, down so you get reasonably close to the end, but there. And now this longer set of heat shrink has to go over both. So it gives a guide in for the wire itself. Okay, I think that's going to work. Just give it a tug and you can see that that's reasonably resilient. Now, really you need an assistant, but I'm going to do it by myself. As you feed the steering box up, you want to be pulling down on the other end of this. So let's just start it off by pulling gently. There it goes. And I think probably about there, when it gets down to there, it's going to be, or before then, it's going to be trying to get into that tube. You filming? There it goes. There's the second bit of heat shrink. It's a bit tight, so I'm hoping my knot's going to hold. There we go. Now, I can bring the steering box further up. There. And there we go, we're all the way through. And just to show you I'm not cheating, there it is. There's my cord, and we can just pull off that bit of heat shrink, and then hopefully just pull down on that bit of heat shrink with our fingernails. There it goes, and there we are, ready to put a new termination on that. There we go, that's it. Yeah, it takes a bit of care, but it's well worth the effort and far better than spending effort putting in some jury-rigged switch on the dashboard instead of a centre push where it should be. That's it really. Thank you.